What's up, guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen? This is Yelnats 101, and I am here today to just do a little hardware testing. I'm a rustling like you are. I'm not a rust tuber. I am just playing with some video equipment. I wouldn't say equipment. I'm just doing some hardware testing. I'm trying to figure out if the setup that I have now will actually do Rust videos if I decide I want to do Rust videos. As far as gameplay, right now looking at it, it looks fine, the graphics look fine, we can kill a deer. So we're actually deer hunting. What's that? I got hung on something there. What was that? Interesting. It's getting dark and I need some deer meat. See if we can hit it. Ah, your lucky day, dear. I missed. But anyway, I'm just checking audio. I'm just going to run around and be stupid. This is not a serious video by any stretch of the imagination. It's just to see if the gear can do it. It looks really good with this card. The sun looks great. And I see a deer down there. Let's see if we can... Missed. I think we hit it, but the bullets are going too fast to do any damage. But I don't know what this will do. It may not do anything. It may look like teetotal shit, but we're going to ride off into the sunset here. Literally, ride off into the sunset. We get a handy dandy flashlight out before it gets too dark. And we're just going to run around a little bit and see what happens. I don't know if it's something I want to do or not. I'm pretty much bored at the moment though, really. Look here. Damn, we got deer all over the place. Here, deer, there, deer, everywhere, deer, deer. Old Stanley Bob had some deer on his Rust Island. Gonna shoot you in the ass and get some meat. You can't get away from me. Gotcha. See, told you. Couldn't get away from me. Look at this. Oh, look at its leg quiver. I'm sorry, little buddy. I'm sorry. Can I collect your meat before the flies get it all? That'd be some good eating after a while. We can fire up the grill and have some fresh deer meat, bro. Minus the flies. Let's see if the flies go away. Did the flies go away? Well, yes. Yes, they did. Hey, look here. We still got sunset up way up top here. My base is down over the hill there. I don't see it. Where is it? Oh, it's over this hill. It's probably set too low for us to see it now anyway. Damn, there is a lot of deer here. There's the dome in all its glorious wonder. Let's go down here and take a gander at the dome. And guys, I'm not, or who's ever stumbles across this video, I am by any means not trying to make a video. I am just doing some silly testing. That scared the shit out of me. I don't know what it was, but it was a real creepy sound. Listen, you hear the dome. Hear it? Such an ominous sound. Hear the wind blowing through it. Listen. I ain't gonna lie. That's kind of creepy. It's kind of eerie sounding. What am I stuck on now? Damn barrels. Anywho, I am going to run back to my base, call this quits, and throw this in my editing software real quick, and see what happens. Hey, we get some weed on the way home so we can get high. Everybody's got to smoke marijuana. It's good for you. Put lead in your pencil, aka make your dick grow. Hey, magic mushrooms are a bonus too. We'll take those. Those are good. We can smoke some weed and take some magic mushrooms and pretend we're flying on the magic carpet. We let the genie out of the bottle, so to say. Oh yeah, just random commentary. It's fun stuff, huh? But like I said, I am not trying to make a video. I will upload this This is just purely for testing purposes only. Man, if you guys got headphones on, that sounds creepy. That whoa. More weed. Too bad ain't no naked girls. Oh, the wolf pack. Did I just hear one growl? Man, that was creepy as shit. Don't like no growling wolves. I ain't gonna be dinner tonight. Maybe I should have left that deer over and not cut it up and took it with me. But we can make them a campfire, I guess, and give them some cooked deer meat. We'll see. Probably not. I just want to get back. Hey, there's my base. So once I get in here, I'm gonna shut this door and throw it in the editor real quick and upload it. Because like I said, I'm not trying to make a good video. So that, I see you guys. Peace out.